अस्सलाम वालेकुम। फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं दुबई एयरपोर्ट आफ्टर सच अ सुपर लॉन्ग ट्रैवलिंग। सो अभी हमने कमरा रिज़र्व कराया था टर्मिनल 3 दुबई इंटरनेशनल होटल पे। तो अभी देखते हैं कि कैसा है रूम, आपको भी लेके चलते हैं। लेट्स गो। सो दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस, लेट्स गो।
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my Dubai channel.
Your Dubai channel.
So there's one crazy thing in this hotel.
Let's see the room first, okay? Well, what is this? Let's see this one first. Oh my goodness, look at that.
A ninja, Baba.
It's not a ninja, Aryan.
Okay, I'll show you the.
Okay.
First, let's see the bathroom. Then we'll see the. No, let's check the space. Then we'll see the bathroom.
One second, let's moving on to here. Let's see, there's another. Oh, this is like a safe locker. Okay, what's next?
So this is the space.
Say hi.
And my sister's jumping on the bed. There's a massage chair, couches.
It's actually pretty big room, and it's really nice.
And now it's time to show you guys the bathroom.
Because he loved to show you guys the bathroom. ये देखें लाइक क्या करी है मेरी। हाँ जी।
So look. So this is the bathroom. You open here. If you don't know where the toilet is, you come here.
Oh my God! Look at super luxury bathroom.
So this is the parent sink, and I'll show you what the kids sink are. This is the kids sink. This is a toilet. And what is this? Goodies!
It's gonna flush out.
Oh my God! Okay. What is
No,
this?
don't touch that one, Jenny.
That's rubber. This
Yes.
is tissues.
So ये बहुत जो है ना luxurious इसकी look आ रही है, feeling आ रही है. And then look at the light style. I think सब इसी तरह के आजकल style चल रहे हैं. It's really nice. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, look at here. There's something hidden here. इधर भी आप shower ले सकते हैं.
Bathtub.
I know. आ जाओ. All right. I hope you like it.
Wait,
Yes.
everybody! I forgot to show you something. These are color soaps, green soaps. This is light green soap.
Oh no, this is conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. It's already full, so you don't have to bring your stuff with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys.
No shoes in the bathtub, please. Miss Lyra, please. No shoes in the bathtub. Automatic. Wait, I'll show you guys the rain shower. Guys, I
See you
forgot to
soon.